Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 22nd, 2023. No, it's not in today's newspaper because we have no extra puzzles, no additional in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of yesterday. Yes, Monday, August the 21st, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku. So two puzzles remain: the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the Two Stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 6967. Yeah. 6967. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Cannot be a 2 stars, it should be a 0 stars. For the 1 star has 27, the 2 stars has 26. Well, we will see if this is really a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. If it's a 0 stars, I need to be faster than 14 or 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left with 7 should be there. Then, how about 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is a number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. Here can be 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. The only place left with 3 should be there. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 3 here. Then 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in the second row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And the 9 in this row, the 9 in the second row, so the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see a 9 last column, no 9 there, here, 9 in the column next, no 9 there, so the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in the second column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, third row, so no 6 in these two boxes here. 6 in the third column, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6, 6. Yeah. Then. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes here. 7 in this column, no 7 in these 3 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this row, 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7. Well, 2 in this column, 2 in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the third row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Let me drink something. Let me drink something. Alright, let me continue. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 in the third column, 3 in the column next. Sorry, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. Okay. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. 1, 4 and the 6. Well. 6 and the 1. Well. 1, 4, 5. I'm thinking. 8, 8. Come on. We have a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so the row between only 2 places left for 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there, 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 8, 8, 8, 8. 4, 5, 8. Alright. 5, 8. And 7. Okay. 1. Come on. 4, 5, and I need a 6 here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, so the only place left for 6 should be there. So the 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark those. 1 and the 4. Here also in this column, 1 and the 4. And 1 box left in this row for number 1. So we have 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in the middle column for number 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 and a 5, we have 4 in this second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 1 box left in the second row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for us. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also two missing numbers in this row for us. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Now we have a pair here in this column. So the other two missing numbers should be the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Well, cannot fill this yet. Yeah, so 1, 4, 6. 1, 4, 6. 4 and the 6. How about these two missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. So two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those two boxes. Two missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. Overlook this 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. And we have a pair, the 5 and the 6 in this column, the 5 and the 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only two places left for the 5 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, two numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 and the 5, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 and the 6. 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7 and 8. How about here? I believe the 4 and the 6. I can remember. Here we have a pair, 5 and 8. So the 4 and the 6 are left. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and the 5, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 5 goes there. 6 and 7, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in the last row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left with 8 should be there. 5 and 8, we have an 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. 5, 4 and 8, we have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well. Told you, need to be faster than 14 or 50 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars instead of a 2 stars. But we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.